Hello and welcome back to the next module, which is useful analytics. Now, let's just start off and say that sounds pretty vague, but this is going to be actually pretty helpful. All right. Now, what I mean by useful analytics is this is tracking data of people who are on your website, how they react to your website, how people find you on Google, and basically what I'm going to show you today is how you can set this up to set and forget, and it's something that you can look at from time to time to review. Do I need to make any website updates? Do I need to increase my marketing in different areas? And what can I do to get more customers? All right, let's walk you through it. All right, first thing I'm going to show you is how to get this set up. It is a super easy process, but we're gonna make it happen. So Google Analytics. All right. Google Search Console. All right. So these are what the two programs that we're gonna set up are called. One's Google Analytics and one is Google Search Console. Now, usually you need to scroll through each of these. You need to work out a whole heap of stuff, and then you need to add tags and code onto your website. Now, how we have designed the website for you, you're going to be able to do it in just a matter of a few clicks. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to plugins. We're going to go to add new. Once we get here, we're just going to type into Google in Google. That's what we're going to type in. Once it loads, Site Kit by Google. Now, this was actually built by Google. Analytics, Search Console, speed, measures your site speed, and AdSense if you ever want to run it. Ads on your website, frankly, for most service businesses, not something you would do. We're going to click install, then we're going to go activate. Now, once we have activated this, we're going to have this cool thing up here for a dashboard. We're going to click on that, and we're simply going to connect all of this to your Google account. So as long as you have a Gmail or some kind of Google account, this is just going to work and flow for you and connect pretty much automatically for you. Let me show you how this is done. So you click that, you click sign in with Google, and then you're going to select your Google account. This is my Google account that I'm using for this, which is really just a test dummy one. Verify, and then what we're going to do from here is wait for it to verify itself. You may even get an email that says security alert, SiteKit was granted access. We're going to click allow. Setup. This is probably the easiest setup you'll ever do in your life. You're just going to click a couple buttons. All right. That's pretty easy. Account, Michael Dale. Property, you're going to go down here. Set up new property. All right. Set up a new view. All right. Configure analytics. Property. Oh, set up a new property. Configure analytics. So you probably want to set up a new one for each one, realistically. Proceed. All right, we're going to log in again for that one. So the first one is setting up analytics, and the second one is setting up Google Search Console. So it's going to go through basically the same steps again. It's going to take a little while to load. And then it's just going to be set up. How easy was that? It was so much easier than doing codey stuff. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. So these are going to just say gathering data because one, it's a new website, and two, we haven't sent any traffic or anyone to the websites yet. So now that we've got it set up, essentially you just want to let it sit there in the background and then review it every month or so and see how you're progressing. But the main goal is you built a website, you've got lead forms, and now you can see how people are actually utilizing your website so that, you can adjust things, you can optimize things, and hopefully get more leads. That's the goal here, and that data is going to help you make that happen. So best of luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.